Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please click the below red color subscribe button and click the bell button. Today's recipe is chicken curry. Very easy and a quick method to make this. Let's see the ingredients. 1 spoon fennel powder, 1 spoon red chili powder, 1/4 spoon turmeric powder, required salt, 1/4 spoon garam masala, 1 spoon cumin powder, 2 spoon coriander powder, 2 big sized onion, 2 green chilies, 2 sliced tomatoes, few coriander leaves, 2 pieces of pandan leaf, 3 cardamon, 3 cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 1 kilo fresh chicken. Now let's see the preparation method. Heat a tawa, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, add 3 broken pieces of cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom, 3 cloves, 2 pandan leaves, it's optional. If you add this, it will give you a beautiful aroma. Sliced onions, Sauted Well, add salt to cook the onion faster. Well sauted, onion turned into golden brown. Now we can add 2 green chilies, 2 sliced tomatoes, saute it. Close the lid for 2 minutes. Allow tomatoes to cook by itself. After 2 minutes, well cooked, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, mix them well. Add the cleaned chicken pieces. Mix it well. Pour 1 cup of hot water and mix well. Close the lid for 2 minutes and allow it to cook. After 2 minutes, add coriander powder, fennel powder, red chili powder, pepper powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, cumin powder and combine it together. Make sure that all the spices are combined well together with the chicken. Now add 1.5 cup of hot water. Mix them. Sprinkle few coriander leaves. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Mix them occasionally to get away from the burn in the bottom. After 20 minutes, chicken had well cooked. Remove it from the flame. Transfer it in a bowl. Garnish with some coriander leaves and serve. Hope you like this video. We had made the chicken curry in an easy way. Hope you enjoyed it. Must share with your friends and relatives. Please like the video and comment. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.